Hey guys, so in this video, sorry my voice is really crackly, it's morning time, it's like 10:43, it's like not morning time, but it's like kind of, but I got a squishy package, because I did a video of getting a squishy package for this squishy, and I said I ordered 6 squishies, and they only gave me 1, and then I didn't say this in the video, but I typed it, like I put it on the screen, I shouldn't say it, because I didn't know. And I did say it, but I wasn't sure. But then after I said it, or I put it on the screen. But yeah, I got another one. So I am super excited. So let's just get started. Alright, so sorry if I see this. I'm on my bed right now. But I have squishy package. And here is the back. Hang on. So here is back. That's my address there. So yeah. So I just opened the bag. So you guys can kind of look inside. Okay, so I ordered this one, but I got a jumbo one, not like a mini. But it's fine, who cares, really? So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna try this bag open. So I got the bag open. It's like a really big bag for this. So it comes with this squishy, and it comes with a little. Okay, so I got the clip in, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a squish. Wow, that is really squishy and so rising. As you can like tell, wow, that's so, and it's really soft too. Yeah, this is not a long video because I think I'm only getting one at a time. I ordered like 6, so I'm getting one at a time, I think. And like this is like the same kind of packaging that I got from my other one. So guys, go check my other video out because it's actually pretty cool. This is the squishy that I got. Yeah, and I'll like tell you everything about it in there stuff. But yeah, this video is only 3 minutes long. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I love this squishy. If you guys want a squishy collection, like this video and leave a comment down below. But yeah, bye.